Hi, grade fours. We're going to teach you a game called Decimal Dots. You need a standard deck of cards, and you need to remove any of the face cards and jokers out of your deck and set them off to the side. For our game, aces are ones and tens are zeros. Something else you need to know for this game is that black cards are whole numbers. So that is 6. Red cards are decimals. So this is 6 and 1/10. Does that make sense?
So all right, hang on.
Yeah.
Can you put your cards back, Mrs. Samayoa? 6
yes,
and 1/10. So if you have 6 and 1/10, and this is a whole number 9, and I have 7, I have 97.
That's right.
Okay. Let's shuffle our cards. Who
Yes,
has gotten the point?
You would get the point for that because you had the highest number, and you get, so it says 10 points, and the first to 100 wins the game.
You get 10 points each time?
10 points each time.
Wow.
Isn't that exciting?
Sweet. Okay, I've got a scoreboard. You can see that I'm going to be honest.
Yes.
Okay.
And I've got my cards all shuffled out here.
I shuffled mine too as well. All right.
I'm trying to work myself backwards here so that the viewers can see what cards I'm drawing, and kind of backwards for me. So
we'll do it together.
When you play at home, kids, you can just play it normally. All righty.
I'll let you go
draw
first.
2. Okay. Well, I drew a 9 and it's red, so that's a decimal. And I drew a 4 and it's black, so that's a whole number. So I have, did I put it in the right direction?
Yeah, you're good.
I think I did. 4 and 9/10.
I drew a 4, so that will be my decimal.
Because it's red.
And 0. So I have 0 and 4/10. Is that in the correct order as well?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
So I get the point on this one because I have a bigger number. 4 and 9/10 is greater than 0 and 4/10. Remember, tens are zeros in this game.
Mm-hmm.
If that's confusing you, you could always take out the tens and use a face card as a 0. But tens are zeros. All right. Okay. I've got 10 points. I'm going to put those on the bottom of my deck here.
All right. I'll go first this time.
Yes.
So 8, that is my whole number. 85.
Ooh, that's a big one. Okay. I have an ace, so that's 1. It's a red one, so it's a decimal. I have a feeling I'm not winning this one. And a 5. So I have 5 and 1/10.
85 is much larger than 5 and 1/10. I get 10 points. You're going to go first because I won that last round.
Okie dokie. You're going first, did you say?
No, you go first. I won. You go first.
Well, okay. Well, here's another decimal. Sure. Red 8 is my decimal point. And a 2, and I've got to put that in the order that I pulled it. So I have 0 and 28/100 this time.
Okay. And I pulled a 9 and 2/10.
Nice.
9
you win
and
again.
2/10. I do win again. You get to go again first.
Okay. I 0, a red 0, so that's my decimal point. And there's another decimal point, so I have 20/100.
I have 2, which is also a decimal point, red. And I also have a 0.
So it looks like
20/100.
Nobody gets a point that round.
Or is it war and we just go again over top?
Ooh, we could do that too. Let's do that. Okay.
It's not about getting the cards though, so I guess nobody gets a point.
Nobody gets a point. Doesn't really matter either way.
So boys and girls, you're going to play this till the first person who gets to 100 points or 15 minutes is up. And right now our time is up, and it looks like Mrs. Nelson won the game. Thanks for playing, Mrs. Samayoa.
Thanks for playing.